Okay, this will be an interesting one. This is going to be a strange one. We're going to make this look really interesting. I don't know how big. We're going to wait till we get to it. Going to make it into a negative. Background colour. What shall we give to this as a background colour? It's a tough one. I'm thinking maybe yellow. Yellow could work, the happy colour, as I like to call it. And we're just going to make it a negative image. So we're just going to punch all this shit into our piece of shit Konica Minolta. Alright. Okay, let's see how this looks. We've got to get this the right size somehow. Anyway, this was cut out of a Chinese real estate paper, although this is more like magazine type paper, but I think part of it's like paper. But it's a nice image, nice and clear and crisp, and it's a nice big image. So it's a bit wider than an A5 and longer than an A5. So it's going to be an interesting one to work out. So we're just going to, so you can see there's the A5 area there, A5R, and then there's A5R there. So there you have it. So we're going to have an interesting time guessing the size or making it into something nice. So we're going to make it, how big are we going to make it? Fuck. All right, see how big we're going to make it. For the horizontal, we're going to make it 140, and for the vertical, we're also going to make it 140. So actually, that's basically going to be putting it, we might as well use that set ratio and see what happens. So we're going to cut some of it off. Not all of it's going to be in there. So, because it's not a proper size. So we're going to lose some of the image, but that should be all right if we can make it look good. Okay, look at that yellow. I'm thinking it's a very happy colour. Wondering if we can do anything more to it. It seems like the yellow's filled in all the areas, and you can see there's plenty of, you got that there, and you got a few little cool bits there, but the rest of it's bright yellow. Just not sure if I actually like it or not. Trying to think which is going to be our centre. That's going to be the centre. But it looks quite nice. It's quite a nice looking, even though it's overwhelmed with yellow, it still looks quite nice. And it's a happy colour. It's a colour I associate with happiness. With a big smiling emoticon. Or a laughing emoticon, but mainly a big smile. A nice little smile or a big smile, whatever. I love the happy colour. So we're just going to line these up. Yeah, it's an interesting colour we've chosen for this. We're now going to print off 2 mirrored images. There we have it, found it. Hang on. Okay, out they come, and let's just line them up with the centre. But it's interesting, it's mostly in yellows and magentas. It's an interesting composition. Now let's see if we can line them up neatly. That's one area, one there, and one here. I think that should be good enough. But yeah, there you got a really happy colour composition, and that bit in the middle looks really nice. So now I think we can call it quits.